Hello everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I have a really fun unboxing. This is the new Bright Messy Neon box from Archer and Olive. I am in love with this box. It is so much fun, so many fun colors. So let's just open it up and see what's inside. So there is all of the neon. I love this box. So I haven't opened the journal yet. So this is the journal. We'll open that up. Then there's some really fun washi. We'll take a look at that. There are some neon sticky notes, some neon gel pens, some stickers, and a cover, and then one other item. So let's go ahead and put this big box to the side because this is a long box that they sent, and let's go through each item. Let's start with the journal. So let me get a pair of scissors. Okay, let's see what this looks like on the inside. Well, that was weird. Okay, so let's see what this looks like on the inside. So it is a bright neon green. How fun is that? And I love this box. It's so cute. So we've got our regular dot grid notebook, neon green, and I'm gonna do something really fun with this cover. I cannot wait to do it. I'm gonna do it actually right after this. So really excited. And then it's just your regular dot grid notebook. I do like that it has the black ribbon and the black closure, and then it has Archer and Olive back here on the back of it. So that is a lot of fun. Can't wait to do something with that. And then we have this cover. So let's open this up. I am in love with this cover. It is like so much fun, so bright. Okay. I love it. It's like this bright pink. Oh my goodness, let's put it on the green just to see what it looks like. Now, unfortunately, I'm not 100% sure on the cost of this box. I'm sure it's probably in my email somewhere, but I forget. So I will look at it and I will put it in the comments down below before I post this video, so that way you know how much this box is. I am not sure if you're going to be able to use my discount code on this. It's Craftinated10. So you can see if you can use it. If not, I will provide the link down below so you can shop my link if you would still like to support me. Since I am an affiliate, I do get compensation when somebody uses my link or code. So I will put that down below. That is so much fun. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of fun. Okay, I'm gonna take it off though. I really like the cover. Oop. I really like the cover. So much fun. So then we have these little guys. There's 3 in here. And they are some really cute and fun dangle clips. And they all have the ampersand on there, but there's the bright yellow, bright green, and bright pink. Love those. And then we have the washi here. And everything's just so fun and bright and a little messy, but it's like kind of that whole vibe. So I really, really like this washi tape. Super fun. And then we have the tabs. So these are cute. Let me see if I can open these without ripping the sticker. Sometimes I'm really good at this and sometimes I'm not good at this at all. And it looks like I am not going to be good at this at all. So we'll just very gently rip along the sticker. So those are all of the tabs. Love these colors. The black is everything. Look at that. That's amazing. So those are the sticky notes, like the little flags. And then what I'm most excited for are these neon gel pens. I cannot wait to use these. Let me grab a piece of black paper. Alright, so I decided to get black, craft, and white paper. So let's go ahead and try these pens out. I am super excited for these pens. I love gel pens, and neon gel pens, that's where it is at. These are so fun. Alright, so I'm just going to write hello. So the blue is really cute. Love that. It's like a brighter blue. I don't know what you would call it. Cobalt, maybe? Not quite that dark. That's like a pinkish purple. Then a red. Green. That's very like bright. Orange. And yellow. And I don't know what the names of these pens are. There's nothing in the box saying there. Oh, I put a W. This is not the first time I've done that. I'm talking and writing at the same time, and I make my hello with a W. I don't know why. I've done that before when I was doing my Inky boxes. So let's go ahead and look at the craft. Beautiful. Yeah, I don't know why I do that. I think that I'm thinking what I'm just, I don't know. I'm like writing and thinking at the same time and talking. My brain can only do so many things at once, and does not compute. I really like the way these gel pens write. They're really actually kind of amazing. Because sometimes you know how gel pens will skip or there's not enough ink, like the flow isn't good. These are amazing. Alright, so let's try it on the black. I'm most excited for the black. Oh yeah, that's really good. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera just because it is sometimes hard to pick up colors on black on camera. But I will try to zoom this in so you can see how awesome these look on the blackout. I think the blue is my favorite. And maybe then the purple. These are really good colors. Alright, so that's all three types of paper with these gel pens, and that's everything that's in this box. Isn't that like, I don't know, I love gel pens. This cover is so much fun. It has like little like glittery pieces of like stars and moons and hearts. I love it. I really like the green. This is super neon, a lot of fun. And then you have your paper clips, your flags, and then the washi. So it's everything. Oh, I lied. That's not everything. Something fell back here. There's also some stickers. So this says to-do, reminder, urgent, notes, and goals. And I'm going to take one out so I can kind of show you guys. Hopefully that is in focus. And they are just so much fun. I love the whole vibe of this box. I love that it has like this really bright, fun, messy theme. And I can't wait to see what you guys do with it. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.